Wow!
Hello!
Hey. No.
Oh!
Aha!
Hey, let go. Okay, let's go.
Oh, wow!
Help me!
Okay, let's go.
Help me!
Hello!
Okay. Okay.
Hello!
Bye.
Aha!
Wow!
Hey, let go.
Hello!
Bye.
Hello! Hello!
Wow!
Is the train coming soon? Probably soon. Whoa, here it is.
The train continues its journey. A road with two lanes above and below.
No.
Oops! Spider-Man seems to be cleaning in the wrong place. Oh no! The ground is
Okay. Hey, let go.
cracking. Not good. The train is still approaching. The upper lane is collapsing. Be careful! Oh no! At the rescue center. I'll call the rescue.
Oh!
Hello, this is...
Huh? This is not the time to joke.
Oh
We need to quickly go to the rescue train.
Rescue vehicles are ready to hit the road.
Okay.
leading the way in the excavator.
Go! Go, 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 go!
Tractor, crane. The vehicles line up and head to the incident site. Finally, the concrete mixer truck. The train is trying to reverse safely.
Hello? Hello?
The excavator starts working. The excavator scoops up the debris into the tractor's bed.
Okay.
The excavator continues to dig holes. For what? I wonder. The crane lifts a beam, placing it in the hole.
Hello?
Continuing with the remaining two holes.
Bye.
Concrete mixer truck. Forming sturdy concrete columns. The cement mixture is poured into the bin.
Hello?
While the bridge is lowered. A bridge for the train is completed. Railway tracks. The train journey can continue.
Okay.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
Let's go. Wait. Hey, let's go. Okay.
Oh. Wow. Oh.
Oh no!
Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, okay.
Hey, let's go.
Okay.
Hello?
나나나나나나. Oh no! Hey! Oh, I'm sorry. Take care. Huh? Bye! Bye! Hello!
Several months later.
Okay.
Aha!
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Nhớ.
Let's go.
Tomorrow.
Huh?
Oh no.
이거. 오케이.
Go! And away we go!
Hey. Wait.
Oh, Mario has been playing games all night. Mario, get up and work. Can't you hear me? Games. Mario still refuses to stop playing.
Hey!
You better get to work right now.
I'm sorry.
A hug signifies reconciliation. Job. Mario goes to the farm and starts the grass cutting. The grass is neatly cut. Will Mario be awake enough to work? Be careful!
Ow!
Next, I'm going to plow the soil.
Okay.
Ha! What are you doing?
This time, Mario is more focused.
Wow!
Soil plowing tool. The soil is plowed smoothly into straight rows.
Hello, I need seeds.
Mario prepares to sow seeds.
Oh no! Truck!
Ha.
Now, let's transport them to Mario's house. This is the number of seeds Mario needs.
Okay. Thank you.
Now, it's time to sow the seeds.
Bye!
Is gardening more tiring than playing games? Neat and beautiful seed rows. Next is the step of fertilizing the plants. Fertilizer helps the plants grow better.
Wow!
Okay, let's go.
Several days later.
The corn is ripe. Let's harvest.
And here is the result. Corn cobs are neatly stuck on the truck. The fresh
Thank you. Okay, let's go.